As you already know, Microsoft Excel is a great application that you can use to analyze your data. Even with all of Excel's great features and built-in tools, you might find yourself doing some repetitive tasks that take longer than they should. Or the day will come when you say, "Oh, I wish there was a better way to do this." The good news is that Excel and other Microsoft Office applications come with Visual Basic for Applications, also known as VBA. It's a programming language that extends your applications. I know that learning to program can seem intimidating at first, but I'm going to make it as easy as possible. And with an open mind and practice, you will find that learning even a small amount of VBA code will make your work easier. With that said, VBA is a huge topic, and yes, there are a lot of lectures in this course. But don't try to take it in all at once. If you feel like you can do one section a week, do one section a week. If you have time, do one section a day, but don't be stressed out. And because VBA is a huge topic, I don't go through every single thing, every method, every property, every shortcut. What I do go over will get you from, "I don't even want to look at VBA," to "I can do this." And there are multiple ways to get the same result in VBA. So the way I write a procedure or two might be slightly different than your coworker's code, or even yours. Use whichever feels best to you. So I invite you to take a look at the curriculum and the preview lectures. If you feel this course is for you, great, let's go ahead and get started. And I'll help you start programming your Excel workbooks with VBA.